Manipur government celebrated the country's 74th Independence Day today at the 1st Manipur Rifles Battalion Parade Ground in Imphal amid tight security. Chief Minister N. Biren was the chief guest of the function. He unfurled the tricolour and took salute at the occasion. Ministers, MLA, top civil and police officials were among those attended the celebration. Security was tightened across the state during the Independence Day celebration as militant groups called for a total shutdown to boycott the event. No untoward incidents were reported. With an increase of about 65,000 cases in 24 hours, India's COVID-19 tally crossed the 25 lakh mark today. Close to 1,000 deaths were also reported within a span of a day. There are now total 25,26,196 cases in the country, including 6,68,220 active cases, 18,08,937 discharged or migrated, and 49,036 dead. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressing the nation on the Independence Day said that the country's scientists have been working Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressing the nation on Independence Day said that the country's scientists have been working day in and out to develop a vaccine against COVID-19. In Manipur, the coronavirus case tally has gone up to 4,198 in the past 24 hours, with 71 persons, 36 male and 35 female from the general population and 15 personnel of Central Armed Police Forces being tested positive for the virus. Now the number of active cases in the state is 1,825. So far, 2,360 patients have been recovered and discharged. The recovery rate in the state has increased to 56.21% according to the state COVID-19 Command Control Room. Troops of 45 Assam Rifles exchanged fire with NACN-K militants around 2 a.m. today in Nagaland district of Nagaland. According to a report, the gunfight occurred when NACN-K militants attacked the Assam Rifles E Company Noklak ITC Dan. There were no casualties in the gunfight, the report added. In his address to the nation on the occasion of India's 74th Independence Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi Saturday applauded frontline workers fighting against novel coronavirus. He said India was going through a unique phase owing to the pandemic, but would come out victorious, thanks to the resolve of the people. Prime Minister Modi highlighted the importance to make India self-reliant, saying it was not just a word, but should be a mantra for all countrymen. Prime Minister launched a national digital health mission and said it will usher in a revolution in India's health sector. He said every Indian will now get a unique health ID. He also said the country must not only make in India, but also make for the world. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC also celebrated the 74th Independence Day of the country at Congress Bhavan in Imphal. Congress Legislature Party Leader Oibo B, Congress Working Committee Member Gaikhangam, PCC President Emo Kendro, MLAs, former MLAs, party leaders and PCC office bearers attended the function. MPCC President Emo Kendro unfurled the tricolour at the event. Imphal East District Administration also celebrated the 74th Independence Day at the DC office complex in Porompat, Imphal East. Imphal East Deputy Commissioner Rangitavali Waikhom, Imphal East Superintendent of Police Jogesh Chandra Hobizam, along with other top police officials attended the function. DC Rangitavali unfurled the Indian tricolour during the celebration. As a part of the continuous anti-illicit drug and psychotropic substance drive carried out by the Jiribam police, a team at Foreigner Checkpost FCP, Jiribam, led by Sub-Inspector Wailakesh Singh yesterday, intercepted a Tata coming from Silchar towards Jiribam, loaded with banned tobacco products worth around Rs 1,10,000, which were concealed underneath eatable items. The seizure took place at the gate of FCP along Imphal-Jiribam Highway. Neighbouring Assam today celebrated the 74th Independence Day of the nation by following COVID-19 standard operating procedure. According to our Assam correspondent, educational institutions also observed the day. Assam Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal unfurled the tricolour at the Guwahati Judges Field where the main function was held. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma unfurled the national tricolour and took the salute on country's 74th Independence Day at Polo Ground in Shillong today. While greeting the people of the state on the occasion, Sangma in his speech said that this year is an unusual year. While greeting the people of the state on the occasion, Sangma in his speech said that This year is an unusual year, and everyone are living through unprecedented times. The COVID-19 global pandemic has disrupted economic and social life like never before. Along with the entire country, Tripura also observed 74th Independence Day today. Chief Minister Biplab Deb on occasion unfurled the national flag at Assam Rifles Ground and addressed the people. Law Minister Ratanlal Nath was present at Gandhi Ghat, where he paid tribute to the national heroes. The national flag was hoisted at all the government offices and schools and government institutions.